Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you today, and I want to say in advance, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone else, okay? Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to cook smothered pork chops on the stove, okay? So that's basically fried pork chops, and then you fry it in flour and seasoning, of course, and then you're gonna saute some onions, which I've already sauteed. I'll show you that in a minute. And then we're gonna put it in a gravy and serve it over rice, okay? Alright, stay tuned. Let me adjust the camera. We're gonna get started, shall we? Thank you. Okay, so as you see here, I'm going to take it out. I already sauteed some red onions. So I'll show you how that looks. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the oil that we're going to fry the pork chops right in this frying pan without washing it. So we have the flavor from the onions, all right? So this is the sauteed onions. Okay, so we're gonna incorporate that into the gravy in a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna add the oil. I'm using 100% pure olive oil. Okay, all right, so we're gonna put this in the frying pan. Right into the frying pan that had the onions in it. Give it a nice flavor. I'm going to heat that up. Okay, so once that gets hot, I'm going to put the pork chops in, and then I'll show you at that point. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so I just want to take one out and show you. We're not done. We're about 3/4 the way done, but I just wanted to show you the progress, okay? So once the pork chops completely cook and I check the temperature, I'm going to take them out. I'm going to drain out the oil out the frying pan, and I'm going to set it up to make the gravy, and I'll show you at that point, okay? Remember, we're doing smothered pork chops and gravy with onions, all right, and rice, all right. Okay, so the gravy has thickened up. I had to add a little water because it got really, really thick. Okay, so now we're going to add our pork chops. And you want to turn it over so that both sides get the gravy, and the flour that you cook the pork chops in is going to go off into that gravy and thicken it even more. So you're going to have to add more water to thin it out a little, okay? You want a nice gravy for the southern pork chops, but you don't want it paste. Okay. Okay, so I told you I cooked some rice earlier with some red peppers. Let me show you that on a plate. I cooked the rice in the pressure cooker. I just want you to get a visual of that first. So you see, you don't have to have plain rice. I put some chicken broth in there and adobo and some, a half of a red pepper cut up. So when you cook it, the red peppers will settle on the top. That gives you a nice little view there, right? It looks pretty appetizing. Okay? Okay, so we're going to turn the pork chops over one more time, and then I'm going to plate it up and let you see. Okay, I think the southern pork chops is done. Let me put it on the plate. Okay, and you want to put this gravy with the onions right over the rice. Look at that. How about that, huh? You like that? I'll give you another view. There you go. Okay. Southern pork chops. All right, with rice. Okay. All right. So I have to run, so I'm not going to be able to taste it right now, but I want you to cook yours and give me a comment on how yours tastes, because I think mine is going to taste great. Okay, and let me give you the word of the day. Be strong. Right now our country's going through a lot. It's a scary time, and I want you to be strong. Pray for everybody that these attacks are affecting. You know, there were some bombs that was delivered through the mail and in New York and different places to the Clintons and Obama and quite a few others. We want to pray for them because I'm sure that they're afraid at this time, and I'm afraid for them. And we're going to pray that God sustain them and keep them, okay, no matter what, and not let any of these bombs go off. So you join me in prayer on that, would you please? Okay, this is Grandma Ray. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, okay? All right, another southern dish for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.